Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Boxy Charm, which I think I probably got yesterday, but we're just filming today in coalition with filming the giveaway video. So
my grandma-in-law had broken her hip the other day, and my mom herself, who is a little bit older, she was needing some help yesterday. So we've just been supremely busy.
So I opened it, and it's kind of like the card's stuck in a weird, I don't know if it'll move since I'm going like that, but it's kind of stuck in a weird position, but I'll give you that. There you go, sorry. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is, I can't even read it with its like plastic thing on it.
This thing's living color.
Like that. I think it says living in color palette. Hank and Henry. I probably would want to see like what colors that is because I mean,
and it says, are you ready to start hashtag living in color, visually inspired by the late 90s and early 2000s MySpace realness. Each one of these eyeshadows can be worn by itself and blended out for the artist on the go. It retails for $27.
If it was like hot pinks, I'd want it, but no, not so much. Let's see.
And as you know, there's I think a plastic on it. We try, or it looks like there's a plastic on it. Make sure that doesn't fall off. We try not to breathe on this stuff.
If you guys can see on the back, it looks like they're
it looks like it'd be a pink, like a pink.
Yeah, it looks like it would be on the back. It looks like it would be like pinks and stuff, but to me in real life, it's not. When looking at it, fuchsia is one of the colors. So it looks like that's supposed to be pink, but it's like maybe because it has like glitter.
It's pretty though,
but yeah, so we'll just put that in a giveaway. So it's still good to go in a giveaway. Did not touch the shadows themselves.
We love that plastic that's on there.
Okay. And I'm gonna stick that bag in its bag just to keep it extra safe. Maybe that'll go in our next giveaway.
They have about 3 lip products
in here. Oh, go back in the bag. Okay. And then the second thing I'm pulling out is QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector.
I know, I thought that was weird.
Lip Serum.
It says formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. It retails for $200 for a full size. I wonder if they have Dimethicone though as like the number one. I'm just curious, guys.
And then the third thing is Becca's Ultimate Lip Definer.
See, another lip thing. It says a high-impact 8-hour long-wear lip liner that effortlessly contours and defines the lips with a perfect balance of color and precision. The innovative dual-ended liner comes with a built-in sharpener and pop-perfected precision tool for effortless application and definition every time.
And it's in the shade Confident.
It retails for $18. That's really, I was saying that all really fast, but it looks like a really pretty color on the side of it.
Yeah, so I might keep that. And then I have Pharmacy's limited edition Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm.
I love cleansing balms.
Which I feel really silly because if you just want to hold for 1 second, I mean, this will be good to try, but let's see if I can find it in 10 seconds.
It says it's a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm infused with vitamin C enriched, I don't even know how to say that, acerola cherry.
Like that?
What is that? Let me see.
That's what I just got at Sephora.
It's the same. You can give your 20.
Oh, no, I want to try it.
Aww. Swap some out and throw some my way. I love cleansing balms. I feel like I have
that's why I just bought this.
No, I know. I feel like I have to use that along with micellar water. And then sometimes along with like soap just to get like some of my makeup off. I don't know with dry skin if it just sticks.
If you guys saw how many products I use,
but she uses some.
I use a ton, but no, it's nice to try this because I've used this and I liked it, so that's why I just bought some more. But now I'll try this and see if it's just as good.
Melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long-wear foundation are easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. It retails for $34. Now, it looks like it'd be a full size. So,
did it say full size or no?
No, they don't say. It just, I'm assuming that was pretty big.
It looks like it's the same size as the, as a matter of fact, let's see, 3.4 and 3.4. Yeah, full size, we're going to say. Okay, and then I think this is the last thing. I hope I'm not missing anything, but I like what I've gotten, what I've received so far. Is Chella's, I'm guessing they're tweezers, right? Little tweezers.
Did you not get?
I'm not, no. Am I blind?
So weird.
No, it just says in there or no?
No.
Okay, so I must have got this instead of the lipstick.
Yeah, it says Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick, or Cream Lipstick, a luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application. Rich in color and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection.
That's not in the box.
So they must just have either replaced it. That retails for $21.
I can email them and
ask.
But I'll probably put this in a giveaway because I mean I have tweezers and other than one set of them, I probably don't need more, so probably put it in a giveaway.
But yeah, that's it for this. I think it was really good stuff. It's just weird. It looked like there was 3, if you guys can see, it looks like 3 products of lip stuff on there. And this is pretty edgy if you guys didn't
But
see
I only
that,
got
by the
2
way.
of the 3 and got the tweezers instead, so.
But,
Yeah.
if
But I
this
like
video-
the items otherwise.
Yeah, it was good. I was gonna say, if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to know about all our future giveaways. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.